Hey guys, today on Hammer and Halo DIY, we're transforming this boring vaulted ceiling into a bold statement by adding this incredible detail. Now before you get intimidated and click off the video, I have a confession to make. As much as these timbers look like wood, they're actually made out of foam. And it's super easy to do. Let me show you how we did it. I picked up 6 sheets of this 1.5 inch rigid insulation. Each piece is 2 feet wide by 8 feet long, and the cost on this is right around 20 bucks a sheet. Total, all in for the entire room, 120 bucks. Pretty decent pricing. I chose to build these faux beams by mitering the edges together. However, I did notice a lot of videos online where they just butt jointed all the seams together and used a filler to conceal the seam. So if you don't have a table saw, this may be a better option for you. The master beam ended up being 12 inches wide, 6 inches deep, and a total length of 16.2 feet long. I will say the big bonus with foam over wood is with this size of beam in wood would likely weigh in at a couple hundred pounds, but by using foam, it weighs in at a staggering 12 pounds. So just be careful. You don't want to throw your back out when attempting this DIY project.
Is it your back?
We're doing 4 evenly spaced cross beams on each side of the master beam. The cross beams are 6 inches wide, 4 inches deep, and about 76 inches long. I did try a bunch of different adhesives like white glue, PL products, contact cement, spray adhesives. They all fell short on bonding strength. I came across a video on YouTube that used this product called Super 77 by 3M, and I can't remember the YouTube channel, but I'll find it and give them props in the description. So go ahead, check them out, give them a follow, give them some love, because honestly this spray is awesome. It's spray on, 30 seconds later, bond them together, done, and it's really solid. I'm going to use a piece of sandpaper that is 400 grit and just lightly score the outside edge of these beams. I don't know if you can see that edge, but it just softens that edge from the hardness that it was and gives it more of a beam appearance. Also adding a bead of silicone to secure the inside of each miter. Not sure this is necessary, but it's a step that won't hurt. This is the floor we want the beams to match to, and let me say faux finishing, leave it to the experts. We tried a bunch of different techniques, and finally my wife came up with the best match, and guess what? You're hired. Let me know when they're done. Now for the install. All we did was cut 2x4 blocks that fit inside the beam, anchored them to the ceilings, and use small-headed black screws to attach to the blocks. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.